Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you ultimate stairs makeover guide and how we can start stairs installation if you wanna do it by yourself or you're a professional installer. So first of all, you need to find some materials what you prefer to install over this your stairs. So first of all, need to find nosings. Now very popular in internet. It's Facebook marketplace. Here is just present nosings. You can use custom made. You can use just round overlapping nosings, any nosings. For example, here we can find already made nosings and price not so expensive. Right here you see this is from laminate floor. What right here very interesting. I guess this price per line of feet. So on the bottom, this is from engineering hardwood floor. Second one, it's laminate, and this is from vinyl floor. So if you choose material what you like, you just can find the guys who is doing this nosing and order from them. So this is nosing. You see this plastic nosing. It's overlap nosing. Last my job, I tried to install it, but it's not really straight, and customers want, flat stairs with floor. That's why we order what like this nosing, square nosing, made it from vinyl floor, and then install it. So you see here is a very nice square nosing with a white riser. I guess it's MDF riser and thread made from the made from the same material. You see, this is the hardwood laminate floor, or laminate floor, and this is hardwood as well. Very nice looks, and in our area it's really popular now, square nosing, because if you buy an unfinished nosing and will paint it, it's very hard to match the color and grain. But if we order nosing from or make it by yourself from the same material, it will be very nice matching and looks very well. So second step, we have to choose laminate or vinyl or hardwood flooring for your stairs. Most of material is similar quality, but you need to choose grain, and you choose the color. So very popular, it's white oak at this time. Before was gray variation, now very popular nature color. So you see how big choice, and the price very reasonable. When you choose nosing, when you choose material, color of material, and material like vinyl or laminate or hardwood flooring, you have to buy a construction glue. This is glue, should very strong glue it this material to staircase. I'm using construction glue. Why construction glue? Because it's specially made for gluing stairs, and plywood. In this glue, it's really strong. Right here, you see, tight bond. Any tight bond glue, heavy duty, or just regular construction glue tight bond, it's right there. Is this very good glue. Also you can use PL400 for from Home Depot, but construction glue is the best. But here is somebody presents store, and they sell tight bond subfloor glue. You see there is a heavy duty and regular. I'm using this one, regular glue, a reasonable price and very strong holding any kind of flooring. Most of flooring, laminate or vinyl coming with underlay, and I'm not taking off underlay. I'm gluing with tight bond this flooring direct to the stairs, and hold very well, and no any complaints. When you choose material and type of nosing, what you want to install, flat with floor with thread or overlap, so you can start removing carpet, underlay from staircase, and also tack strips which is holding, you see this strips which is holding a carpet. After that you have to check your steps, is there any squeaks? If you have it, you need to fix it. You can use screws, you can use nails. Most of I'm using screws. So also you have to check the threads, how it's straight. Sometimes all threads from wood it's bended, and a lot of squeaks. What we're doing, we're just removing these threads, installing new one with plywood. If you don't need to remove threads, it's pretty good. What need to do, need cut off carpet nose, because for hardwood or laminate vinyl installation it's don't need it. I'm using small hand saw and oscillation tools, and then need to clean up whole staircase with grinder if some dirt, some chipping out or staples from the carpet. Grinder very helpful with this. When you finish whole preparation, you can install stairs. This is the final how it looks like. In description for this video I will put links for hardwood stairs installation, laminate and vinyl stairs installation, so you can find, I have many videos about it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I will always answer you. See you next video.